Colin. Did everyone who attended the masterclass get your discipline checklist in order? Your 2% protocol? Your winning daily morning routine? All those things matter. Each and every day. Those little things matter. The small things add up. The small things really do add up. Ugh. Requested my first ever payout from Top Step yesterday. I feel like a giant step forward. That is a massive giant step forward, bro. That's amazing. That's an amazing, amazing, amazing step forward, my friend. Yeah, we'll have the recordings out later on. We're focusing on the live right now, baby. We're focusing on the live. We're choosing discipline over dopamine in real time. Ugh. It's okay to watch here versus Zoom. We just gapped up. Yeah, we're moving, Savage, huh? Okay, guys, let's go, let's go, let's go. Another day, another gap up. Of course, that's just what it is nowadays, right? We just, market only goes up. Stocks only go up, duh. Stocks only go up. How hard was it to trade when you had work when you first started? So, I mean, it's definitely not easy. It depends on your career and your job and stuff, obviously, but I'd say that managing a full-time job and trading it's not easy, but it's not necessarily supposed to be easy. If it was easy, everyone would do it. You know? Did I take a trade yet? The market isn't even open. I do, however, I will be marking out my levels. I don't love to mark them out extremely early, especially when we're ripping up like this. Like we could, for example, mark out our pre-market low here, our London low, because I don't foresee us going lower than this. However, our pre-market high, if we mark it, then we just got to keep moving it up as the day progresses. I've been sticking to my strategy and was able to request my first ever payout yesterday, 2.5K. All thanks to you. Let's go. That's dope. Let's get some bangers, baby. Let's get the music playing. We got to get the tunes playing. We got to get the energy flowing. Get the energy flowing, baby. That's all we do now is I guess just rally up. We just move up and move up and move up. Where's the downside movement? Where is our beloved short side puts, short side shorts? That's what happens when you exhibit greatness, Irish River. People copy it. People copy it. That's just what happens. All right. Screen share's up too, guys. Well, my plan comes into effect every day when market opens. I can't tell you exactly what the market's going to do beforehand, but I can tell you what it's going to do as I get my setups each and every day. That's a fact. Of course, we got the Fed speakers today. All right, so let's go through some. Let's go through some stocks on watch. Got an aggressive gap up. We're right next to yesterday's highs, right around yesterday's highs on NQ. Actually, let's got our SPY pulled up here as well. Let's get our 5-minute chart. Five-minute chart. Hopefully y'all enjoyed yesterday's masterclass. Day one was a hit. Tons of value delivered. Tons and tons of value delivered. Now I hope that everyone there started with what I asked. You get your 2% protocol written down. You got your discipline tracker ready. You got your discipline plan ready. And you followed a morning routine. That's what pushes us to that next level. Got some relative weakness here on Tesla. Don't call the wild why. I'm not sure when we're going to send out the recording. Maybe today. We'll send it. Good morning, Team Bull. We got 10 minutes till open. This is your reminder to trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline over dopamine today, like we do every single day. Every single day. It's automatic for our money team. Got some relative weakness on Tesla. What's AMD doing? AMD might be the stock and play in terms of individuals. I would have rather seen us go dip a bit below 200 and then move up. Personally, that's what I would have rather seen, but it doesn't look like we're going to get that. So the 227 area is the previous all-time high, so we may have some resistance, some supply up there. Potentially, we can look for some higher lows and make our move to the upside. As a reminder, too, if you guys are trading with prop firms, Apex is 80% off right now. You can use code Jdun for 80% off all accounts. They just paid me $50,000. 50 big ol' rackos. You can trade up to 20 accounts, 1 day pass, no scaling plans. You can trade news, lots and lots of good things. And code Jdun always provides you with payout protection. Let's get our poll going. How many of y'all showed up to the free masterclass yesterday? Did you guys enjoy it? Yes or no? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What was I going to do? Here we go. Hop on a private. Guys, I just pinned the prop firm Apex that paid me $50,000. If you're in the YouTube, you guys can go get funded using code Jdun. With code Jdun with Apex. From 50,000. Boom. Can I join for me? It was after midnight in Europe. How can I get those day one information? We'll likely be emailing it out. Masterclass was really good. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Woo! Ugh. It's going down for night 2 tonight. It is going down tonight for night 2. I'll tell you that right now. I'm going all in. We're talking system, strategy, VPA, and orb. How can I get into the next masterclass? It's in the announcement tab. Do what you want, man. Let's see NVIDIA. What's NVIDIA doing? Flat. Flat on NVIDIA. Nasdaq's back and forth. Let's check out this 15-minute chart in the we feeling the shorts at open? I'm not entirely sure. Probably not until we get confirmation. If we get confirmation, maybe. But just because we're going up, I'm not super inclined to go buy shorts. To go short the market. London session is great, bro. You won't catch me trading Asia or London, my bro, ever. Not gonna happen. No way, no how. Tyler, don't skip parent-teacher conferences. You'll get the recording later on. You're funny. I'm conflicted. Do I skip parent-teacher conferences? That is funny. Well, Tesla pumped today. I'm not entirely sure. I couldn't tell you. We are 4 minutes from open, everyone. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys being here. Take 2 seconds, guys. I try to give my best effort, best value every single day. Please take a second. If you're on YouTube, hit that like button. We have almost 350 people in here. And we have 36 likes. Come on. Let's get that above 100. Each of y'all take 2 seconds. Hit that like button. Hit that good karma button. We're going to find some winners today. We had some bangers yesterday. And if you're on TikTok, hit that screen over and over. Get those likes moving. Come on. Come on, let's get those likes moving. Yeah, we were almost at capacity last night at about 3,000. That was crazy. Live learning with me. If you want access to day 2, and you're on the YouTube, it's in the description. If you guys are looking to trade on a funded account, if you're looking to trade futures with me, you can use code Jdun with Alpha Futures, Tradeify, FFF, or Apex. Those are my 4 recommended firms. My neighbor's stripper friend has started cleaning houses on the side. Should we be concerned? That's recession. Recession. Recession inbound. Recession inbound. Do I like options or futures more? I think they both. I think they both have their own benefits. Don't work out. All right, guys, we got 1 more minute or 30 seconds. Let's go. Trade smart, trade safe. Choose discipline over dopamine. Let's focus on patience today. Let's focus on system. Oh shit, Gene's here. Sleeping Beauty's on time. It's a first. I can't believe it. On time for market. On time for the market. Mr. Gene is on time for the market. The PSL Express has pulled up in a nifty fashion with 2 seconds to spare. All right, let's get it, guys. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused today. Trade smart, trade safe, and let's get to the money. Let's let the market settle a little bit. Let's get SPY back on the screen share, and let's go back down to the 5-minute time frame. Got our London high, London low mapped out. Let's map out on SPY, pre-market low, pre-market high, and we're ready to go. Step 1 of our system is in. Building our roadmap out. Working our way to finding some winning trades. What are you watching today, Grizzly? What's up, Grizzly Glock? How you doing, my boy? Gonna catch some winners today. So you're throwing on a protein shake? Got to put the raw egg in it, bro. Oh, whoops. Well, last night's masterclass was fire. Fire. Too much sauce in an hour. I've never seen so much sauce. You'd think we were in Italy. I was whipping down the sauce for an hour straight, and I'm doing it again tonight, too. Too much sauce. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's let the market settle and find ourselves a winner. Will there be a way to rewatch it if we can't make it? The email of last night's class will be out today. If you guys did not come yesterday, if you guys missed my class yesterday, I want you to take a good look around. If you came to class last night, did you get your value from it? Did you get your time's worth? Was it worth your time? Yes or no? Be honest. Lots of yeses. Thank you. That means the world. Thank you. Now, night 2, I'm going over everything with my strategy. So I highly recommend that you make a plan to be there. And if you have not joined yet, if you have not gotten on your registration list, you can do so in the description of the YouTube below. If you look below the stream, it's the first link. It says day 2 today. Make sure you click on that, get registered. If you're on TikTok, you can click on my profile, or you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Either one. You can DM me on IG at Jdun Trades. That works too. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the masterclass tonight. It will be recorded as well. If you'd like the recording, make sure you're on the list. All right, let's see here. Damn, I still got Amazon on my screen, Grizzly. She's moving. I added him earlier. Multiple times. Just got to accept. What's up, dog? Yep, make sure you guys make sure you guys open it. It might be in your spam too. It's possible. Don't. Is AMD ripping again? That might be the stock. That's the SIP, the stock in play. All right, let's watch. I don't have any setups on AMD yet. I'm watching the NASDAQ, I'm watching SPY, and I'm also peeping through individual names. Damn, Grizzly, your Amazon's ripping today. You mention it, and she just starts ripping. Is it Prime Day? I don't think it's Prime Day. We haven't asked Grandma for trades in a few days. I don't think today's the day either. She's 5 for 5. We got to be very selective with Grandma's greatness. Her intuition with the market is unmatched. Simply unmatched. So it is Prime Day, 7th and 8th. I mean, Prime Day has absolutely no impact on the stock going up. I'll tell you that right now. But that's cool. It's Prime Day. Wife is already on it. I guess so. I don't know. That's what they keep telling me. I don't know. So let's see. We're at all-time highs. Whenever we're at all-time highs, I'm very, very cautious. If we can catch a slow grind up, we'll do it on a higher low. We'll do it on a systematic entry. And we'll do it with patience. If we catch a downside setup, we'll do it with, again, a systematic entry. We'll do it with patience, and we'll do it the right way. Not guessing. You know what we need? I'm going to tell you what we need. Are you ready to hear it? Since the government's been shut down, they've been withholding all this data. So once it opens, I want every piece of data that hasn't been released to drop at one time. I'm talking the ultimate data drop, NFP, consumer sentiment, throw CPI in there, drop it all at once, and then let the market just go bananas. Just let it go bananas. Let all the data drop just at once. Every piece. The market won't know what the hell to do. Evals will be passed or evals will be blown. I'll tell you that much. Traders will be happy. Traders will be devastated. There will be no in between. I want it all at once. Push it. Just push it down, push it up. I don't care. Just push it in one direction. Wouldn't that be great? Just rip it all at once. I don't watch the news, so I don't know where the shutdown stuff's at. But what I do watch is my Coinbase. Shout out Bitcoin, all-time highs, baby. You're in NQ shorts? Greg's in the shorts. Greg in the shorts. We're almost 15 minutes in, so we'll have our 15-minute range all cooked up. Let's coat that green not to get things mixed or confused. Let's get that drawn up on SPY as well. We got our pre-market high and 15-minute high stacked. So we can see if we can build a base above that. I'm personally going to wait till we get some 5-minute confirmation. We'll see what we get. Strip the bit. Hey, Fed speakers, that's your favorite, Grizzly? That's your favorite, bro. I'm a listeners. Need to listen up. Stream is great. Class is great. It was amazing. Honestly, I don't think I've given that much value in an hour in a very long time. And tonight is going to be insane. Insanity. Insanity. When the sun shine, we shine together. Yep, class is at 7 p.m. Eastern time tonight. Be there or be square. Y'all better be there. Who's all coming tonight? Type yes in the chat if you're on the way tonight, if you're coming in, if you're coming to learn my system and strategy. How many of y'all are coming? Thomas is in. Andy's in. Tomas is in. Dylan's in. Giovanni's in. Luis is in. Tiffany's in. Kayla's in. Come on. And if you're not registered, you can register below on YouTube. It's the first link that says day 2 today. 3-day free masterclass. Register there. You'll get the link. It will be recorded. Yep. This masterclass is more value than my job. Come on. All right, Greg. Let's see if we can get those shorts to move. Let them move. Let them move. Let's go, Raul. Because when the sun shines, told NQ I'll be trading forever. Said I'll always manage my risk, and I'll do it to the tick. I won't blow up my funded, because I know that the market trusted me to make some money for Team Bull. And that's what we're gonna do and get swole. You guys like that, huh? That's my remix. No, you don't like it? I should stick to trading. All right. I guess I can do that too. It's my birthday. Let's hit a banger, okay? Okay. Mean to me. What is NQ? The NASDAQ. The NASDAQ. Do I think the government shutdown is why the market has been slow? I mean, not necessarily. It's possible, I guess, but Tradeify is cool. If you want to trade with Tradeify, you can skip the eval. If you go to tradeify.co and use code Jdun, you do not have to take an eval. It's a bit more expensive, but you don't have to take an eval. You can go straight to fund, and every dollar goes towards your payout. Which is kind of cool. Tradeify.co. Down. You can see shiny cars. Yep, FFF is great too, and they just got a new dashboard. The recording will be sent out via email of the class, so make sure you're registered. You guys should all be there tonight live too, to be honest. All right, let's see. So we're holding. All right, let's see where we're at now. So we're holding this 50% retracement area. Higher volume. We'll see if we hold this zone here. If we do, well, never mind. We're not holding this zone. If we hold and build this up and we can somehow build a base above this 15-minute high, I'd look for a move to pre-market high. But I want to see how we react in here first. Now we got Greg in the shorts. So hopefully those pay for Mr. Greg. Never come in between. What entity? See anything you like, Gene?
Yeah.
Did you take them? I could tell. Am I going for any trades? That's why I'm here, partner. I'm chewing like a gerbil on my toothpicks, looking for trades. Gene's silent. He's in a trade. Yep, I always know. I'm like, Gene, are you in a trade? So there's two options for no eval. There's Tradeify, or there's the Funded Futures Family. FundedFuturesFamily.com, and you can use code JDUN as well. Tradeify is kind of the OG. Tradeify.co. You can use code JDUN for 35% off and no eval. Baby, it's rain. And then we got Greg in the shorts. We got Gene in the shorts. We got JDUN and nothing. See anything you like, Grizzly? The problem with a lot of people at all-time high trading is they just can't, they don't have the patience to wait for their A+ setup. For me personally, I am very, very, very selective at all-time highs. Very. Funded Futures Family, yep, they just got a new dashboard too. You can always use code J down there. Go milk my old prop firm I used to own. I sold my equity 7 months ago, but I was one of the founders. They got some good plans too. They paid out almost $10 million as well. You can always use code JDUN. Go milk them, please. In my name, go milk them. This is JDUN Trades from the call center, and I'm commanding you out of my own goodwill to go milk my old prop firm, please. Use code JDUN. Is that funny, Gene? Hey, Gene, I'm supposed to tell you that Joey said what's up. Joey. Atomic Joe. I don't know what Danny's doing. I hope he's doing all right, though. Gene says, I do not know. What is this price action? It's barcoding. Discipline over dopamine, guys. Remember that. Stay patient. Follow the system. Always have your stop losses in. Always have a plan. Know your max loss. On any given trade, you got to have your MLL in. I'm gonna be yo. Now, what's gold doing? Maybe we go trade gold. Let's see what gold's doing. Well, let's go over here. Bounce off the lows. Not quite enough volume, though. Yeah, gold's been going bananas. Sometimes you can actually get some decent setups on gold. All gold earth thing. I think I got to get a chain, guys. I need a big old gold chain with some diamonds. Next 50K pad, I'll get one. All right, we're holding this 50% retracement. We never went below this previous candle. That makes a higher low. So let's watch for some upside here. Greg stopped his shorts on this pop-up, too, if you guys didn't hear that. I'd always like to announce it in case you didn't hear. Let's see what we can find for some longs. Let's look for upside, if we can get a confirmation. Let's look for some upside if we can get confirmation. We held this 50% retracement midline. So we'll see. Meant to be. I'm dreaming that you're missing. Let's wait and find our A+ setup. Was strong, and I miss you here. Now you're gone. Well, rejecting 15-minute high, so we'll see. Staying patient. I'm not doing a damn thing till the market gives me my confirmations. Remember, guys, we are day traders, not trade everyday traders. There is a massive difference. Massive, massive difference. As a reminder to TikTok, I am live on YouTube. We have 650 people in here today. That's crazy. We're growing every day slowly. I appreciate y'all joining me every single day, Monday through Friday. All I ask is you tap in, hit that like button, and subscribe. And if you're on TikTok, head on over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Let's get up to 1,000 concurrent viewers. Let's go. Got a lot of people that want discipline over dopamine in their life. You get full screen share on YouTube as well. I appreciate y'all supporting your boy. Yeah, I might just bully you into living a better life, getting more money, trading more discipline. All right, let's see here if we can get confirmation. Let's implement the DoD system. I'll be crazy. With the pictures hanging on the wall. Will I be talking about volume in today's class? You bet I will. You're not going to be able to get volume out of your head. Place in my heart. Bar cutting still. Bar coding, boring. Still early. It's only been 30 minutes. Yeah, right. You should have gotten them, Destiny. Is it going to be another day of no trades? No significant trades? I know. Well, technically speaking, this 5-minute chart looks short with that previous 5-minute candle. I'm just not super convinced yet, considering we're in the middle of our range. But that last 5-minute candle looks more favorable to shorts at this very, very second. We got ES. Yeah, we got SPY having a little weakness. Let's see if we can get some confirmation here on SPY. What about PayPal? Is it nuking? Yeah, PayPal's moving. Gene, you want to come say hi? I gotta use the restroom. I gotta use the restroom. Be nice to Gene.
What's up, guys? How are you? Good morning. Me too. I was green too. I stopped out.
So, Dow?
What up?
Holy shit, we should have pushed. Oh, that's SPY. Oh no, the NASDAQ got a big push down too. Oh shit. I get up and it starts pushing down. Wow, the second I get up, we start moving. Maybe I should get up more often. You taking the shorts? Yep, of course. I get up. I think that's what we think. We need the hat. I'm not wearing the hat today. That's the problem. All right. $250, $235. Don't. Part of me likes the shorts as we pop up here. We're just in the middle of this range and we've seen no continuation either way. We're in between both the 15-minute high and low and the pre-market high and low. All right, you riding? I see you. Just no follow through. Still no trades. Just waiting. Staying extremely patient. Discipline over dopamine. That is right. What is this price action, Gene? How'd your shorts go?
Fine.
Yeah. And then, of course, they ripped, huh? When they ripped to your 17, almost. 14. A little lower, actually.
Oh, yeah, I know.
You don't want me. Yeah, we're chopping in midway through the opening range, high and low. So just staying patient. Is there any gotchas to Tradeify Lightning? I mean, the consistency is not great. 20%. That's the only downfall, in my opinion. Low consistency is tough. That's the tough. That's tough. It's not easy. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. Don't let dopamine overpower discipline. Just got my first 2 funded Apex accounts thanks to your code. Always use top set. Awesome, Mamba. Just got my first 2 funded Apex accounts thanks to your code, Jdun. Let's go. Code Jdun. Always with the best discounts. Always with payout protection. The GOAT. TradingView is obviously the best for charting. Do you integrate it? I execute my trades with prop firms on Tradebait. That's just my personal, it's my personal preference. I like charting with TradingView, but I don't trade on it. Not to say it's bad. It's just not something that I like to do. And Grizzly, look at this candle up, bro. We got the close above that 50% retracement, but look at that volume. It's horrible. Yeah, aggressive green candle, but lower volume. So I can't follow through that. I can't buy that. I cannot participate in that candle. I wish that candle the best. I wish it grace in its endeavors, but I will not participate and I will not support it. I won't do it. That candle is not discipline over dopamine. It's a lot of things. It's not discipline over dopamine. Which, if you came to my free 3-day masterclass kickoff last night, you know what discipline over dopamine is. You're going to learn it even more today. You thought I brought the energy last night? Oh my goodness. A very good prop firm for beginners, I'd recommend Tradeify or I'd recommend Alpha Futures. Alpha Futures is just like Top Step. You can use code JDUN for 25% off. I'll post the link in chat. In YouTube. I like the advanced accounts. It's very similar to Top Step. So if you're trading with Alpha Futures, you can use code JDUN always for best discounts. And when you use code JDUN, you remember the DOD system, discipline over dopamine. I'm leaving. Yeah, Alpha Futures is baller. They're great. I'm glad I got a partnership with them. I can stand behind them proudly. Proudly, proudly. Very proudly, I can stand behind them. So if you're looking for a prop firm you can trust, Alpha Futures is great. They have both Project X and they have Tradeivate. Apex is, here's my honest thoughts. Apex is the best for scalability. If you're a brand new beginner, I actually don't recommend them. And I just got paid $50,000 from Apex. I'm always going to be honest with you guys, no matter the question. Now, you follow the rules, you get paid on Apex. If you're an intermediate trader, if you've been with prop firms for a bit, then Apex can be great. Go heavier on the eval, pass with 1-day pass, and it's trade smart, trade safe. You use code Jdun, your payout will be protected as long as you follow the rules. But I'm older. Can't seem to fight this feeling. What the heck? What the heck is this price action? What is this? Oh, this heater over here is nice, Gene. Oh, I love it. Bro, it was really cold this morning. I got up at 5 and was outside. I was like, damn, this is freezing. What do you say? That volume looks decent. Actually, on SPY it actually looks decent. On the ES, yeah. Actually, as a matter of fact, that looks decent. What's the higher? 60. Technically speaking, if you were to take shorts on ES, where's my yeah, stops up to be right here. Entry in here. I don't like that we went and touched pre-market low. That's my only problem with that. From that high, we moved down 5 points. Maybe it's time to ask Grandma. Grandma, I need help. I'm trying to make some money. See you, Greg. Bye. Adios. Hey, losers focus on winners. Winners focus on winning. I'm just saying. I hate us because they ain't us. You feel me? I'd hate me too. I'd hate me too. We stay winning, my boy or my girl. So Alpha Futures is the best. I mean, it depends what you're looking for, but I like Alpha Futures a lot. Apex is who just paid me $50,000. I got my 50K payout from the prop firm that's in the pinned comment. Still the most scalable firm. If you're a decent trader. Do you have children? Yeah, I got a son. I got a 2-year-old kid. 2-year-old son. Can you have him? What? Once he's a little older, I'm gonna teach him how to box. I'll arrange you guys a boxing match. I'm sorry, you cannot have my child. It's one of the more odd questions I've ever been asked, but I mean, I guess any questions, fair game here. I don't know about that firm. I like Tradeovate. I like Tradeovate. Oh, whoops. A little odd, but that's all right. I do trade with my own accounts. Only reason I'm trading funded is to prove that I can do it. Like at Apex, I got a 50K payout, and I'm $1,500 away from another 50K payout. If I'm giving you guys a code and teaching you guys how to trade prop firms, I like to prove that I can get paid out. So that's the only reason why. I've made 10 racks in Top Step in the past 2 weeks as well, a little over 2 weeks. I paid by the elites. What does that even mean? What does that even mean, my guy? Let's see if this orb ends up playing out on ES. See if the orb ends up playing out on ES. Good morning, Mr. Dirt. What's good, bro? Good morning. If you want to see my full screen, you can go to YouTube, Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades. Double live stream going. Jdun is legit, always been transparent with his wins, losses, and strategies, discipline over dopamine. Let's go. Discipline over dopamine. Yeah, if you find where I can sign up to get paid by the elites, I'm not sure who the elites are, but you let me know where the sign up is. I'm down. I don't have to have the stress of trading anymore, and I can just get paid by the elites. Shit, count me in. Let me know where I sign up. I don't think the elites would be telling me to preach discipline over dopamine, though. I think they'd want you guys to be blowing your accounts and be in liquidity. I am the elite. I don't know about 1UP. I would never recommend them. I don't know them, but the only firms I have partnerships with are in the Discord. They're Alpha Futures, Apex, Tradeify, and FFF. Spaghetti charts. I haven't used those EMAs and SMAs for a long time. I've evolved a lot. All right, let's see here. I might be getting some movement now. I'm just narrating. What's up, Turnstile? Welcome, bro. Been on a mountain, been around fire. Yeah, we're about to sweep London lows on ES. That looks good. Let's see. What? Oh, whoops. I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Way down. I don't know why I had that put there. My levels were off. 37898. 378,980. orb's playing out on SPY, on ES. On the mountain. So far, so good on that orb setup, huh, Grizzly? It's only at about 1-1 right now, but it's going in the right direction. I didn't take it either. But the rationale there is solid. Don't. Got stopped on that wick on ES small loss. How come? I never want past the trend setting candle. If you did take ES, your stop should have been at like 796, 795.5. Above the trend setting candle. Damn, that's the setup on ES, Grizzly. I mean, that orb worked out well. If we would have had NQ semi-cooperating, that would have been a setup that I took. For sure. The education is great there, though. For on screen share, if you're looking at that. 335, 220. Oh, sometimes. I had before. Whoa. Let's see. I'm watching this NQ orb. The ES orb was beautiful. Look at that. We got 20 more seconds on this NQ 5-minute candle. We close this strong. I'll look for a short Sentry to pop up. What's this? 35. Starting a position of shorts, guys. 15 right here. Light size. We're not quite at the orb area. My biggest risk here is 20 points above 235. If you want a better ad area, wait till your mid-20s, but I did start a piece. I'd like to see a flush below these lows down to like 200s. I have hard stops in at 36, so right above 35. So 20 points of risk. Don't. I tried those shorts, Grizzly. Yeah, I tried the shorts just lightly. I got filled right above 15. And my stops are at 236. So I have 20 points of risk on the trade. Better area is in here in like 20 to 25. You only have about 10, 15 points of risk. If we go above 235, it will get stopped out if we end up pushing above this previous 5-minute candle. 236. Better ad area up here with stops above 236. If we go back into that 50% retracement range, I have no interest. I like this area too. There's only 10, 15 points of risk. So we go back above that 50% retracement, and then the orb is wrong. VPA is wrong, and we move forward. Let's see how this 5 minute. If 5 minute closes back up here, I might cut it early too. Technically, that goes against system. That add up there was nice so far. That second add up there was beautiful, guys. If you took that, we should get a really nice move down here now. I'm going to go ahead and set my stops. I haven't trimmed anything, but I'm going to boom my stops to 29. Let's see if we can get this move down now. Both entries are green. If you average in, your average should be in like the mid 20s if you averaged in. There we go. Let's see if we can get low a day. Come on. Oh my gosh. I'm trimming, guys. I'm trimming. I'm trimming, guys. I'm trimming. Yo, let's go. Yo. That's what I'm saying, baby. Come on. Push it down. Come on. Come on. Yo. That's what I was looking for, my boy. That's what we are looking for. My stops are at break even, guys. Stops are at break even. Let's see if we can get a further push on this, guys. Come on. Yo. Yo, that was a freaking candle. We want lower, though. Let's see if we can get these London lows. I swear to you guys, if we get London lows down at 130, I will take my shirt off and I will sprint across the street in the neighborhood and record it all. If we don't get stopped out and we get my London lows, it's going down. Something about stripping and hitting profit targets. Beautiful trade so far, guys. Beautiful trade. Make sure you guys have managed risk. I have trimmed. My stops are at break even. Let's see if we can get lower. Let's see if we can get lower, everybody. Let's go. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I got a no team bull. If y'all are trading with me, any of y'all make some money on that? If you paid yourself from that, let me know in the chat how much. We stayed disciplined over dopamine. We waited. We trade smart, trade safe. What are we cooking today, chat? What are we cooking? Let me know. If you took that trade with me and made some money, what are y'all up? Took that trade and made money. What did you guys make? 923, 500, 250, 270, 200, 2800, 500, $50, 200, $1,000, 4,000, 650. Come on, we want more though. We want London low. 250 away from payout. Let's go, everybody. Come on. We are eating. We are eating. But we don't want to just eat. We don't want some skimpy little 2-course meal. I want the full grand buffet. I want the grand buffet of crab and lobster and steak bites and pineapple and cream cheese pizza and caviar and lamb chops and everything great in that category. That's what I want. That's what I want for all of us. We're all eating at the buffet together. You feel me? We want more, though. Stop, start, break even, guys. Textbook setup. This one's going to be fun. Oh, this one's going to be fun to go over in class tonight. Textbook setup. We want the whole ocean. We want caviar. Oh my, you know what would be great? It would be some caviar, cream cheese, pineapple pizza. Oh my gosh. If someone creates that gluten-free, I'll personally fly you out to whip it up for you, boy. I want massive globs of cream cheese and caviar and pineapple. And some Canadian bacon. Oof. Oof, that sounds fire. Sounds so fire. I dead ass. I would literally, if you got a bowl and mixed it with like, I would probably dead ass eat a bowl of ground beef, cream cheese, and caviar. I'm not kidding. I would do it, guys. I would do it. And that's not even rage baiting. It's just facts. What was that? I freaking love caviar. Give me some fish eggs, give me some fish eggs, cream cheese, and some ground beef. That'd be fun on the pizza too. You have pizza with some pizza with ground beef, cream cheese, a little pineapple, a little caviar. Oof. Oh, that sounds good. Oh, I could totally get down with that. As long as it's gluten-free, though. I don't do gluten. I don't do gluten. My stops are at 23, guys. My stops are at 223. My stops are at 223. Yesterday's class was fire. Just wait till you come to tonight's. Just wait till you come to tonight's. Let's go. Welcome to the team. Let's go. We want lower. My stops are at 23 still. Welcome to the team, Grizzly Glock. Welcome to the team, Mr. Glazley. Let's go. Thank you, Jdun. You were the man. I did something today with ease that I normally struggle with. I took profit and stopped trading. Let's go. That's the DOD system, guys. That's the discipline over dopamine system. That's what we went over last night. I'm going to be going into my exact strategy to go with that today in tonight's class. So if you aren't signed up or you didn't come last night, you got to be there tonight. You can sign up in my YouTube. In the description below, it says day 2 today, 3-day masterclass. Make sure you get signed up and show up tonight. Same time as yesterday, yup. Come on. We want lower. We want lower, baby. We want lower. That was baller. We want low day. We won't settle for anything less. We won't settle. No way, no how. It's crazy. LeBron's definitely retiring this year. That's definitely going to be his big announcement today. I mean, I think it's definitely down for the game for sure. We lose Kobe and Bron within 5 years. I mean, I've never been a LeBron guy, but shit, for the game of basketball, I mean, there will never be another LeBron, ever. Never. There will never be another LeBron going in the league at 17 years old and just dominating. I'm definitely going to go to the Lakers game this year when they come to Denver. I'm excited for basketball season again. That's my deal. That's where I like spending my money. I don't really go out. I like spending my money on basketball games, experiences. I'm sorry, I like Cooper Flag, but he's not the face of the league, bro. Telling you that right now. I'm a Duke fan, bro. I got a ball in my background. Just passed my first ever eval with that trade. Thank you, Timo. Let's go. Heck yeah. The lean, the earth. Pay me like the first. Time to move on to Wemby. Not the face of the league either. Sorry. Bronny Jr. is not the face of the league. Sorry, bro. That is just not correct at all in any way, shape, or form, and never will be, probably. I mean, Jokic is on top right now, but he just doesn't have that excitement. Like, LeBron was exciting. Jokic is, I mean, I love Jokic. I'm a Denver fan, of course, but he just is. Like, bro, Jokic is like Albert Einstein. He's boring as hell to listen to, but like he's really smart and he's like super good at what he does, you know? Like you witness greatness when you watch him, but it's not super exciting. Like prime LeBron was doing like windmills and putting up like 40 and shit. He's very efficient in numbers. And you know that, fun fact, part of Jokic's, in my opinion, his passing skill comes from, he used to be a water polo player back in, where's he from? Wherever he's from, that country, Serbia. He used to play water polo. So when you see him making those crazy like bumps and passes and like tip passes, it's because he was very efficient and good at water polo. Which is, if you ever watched water polo, something you do. Water polo? Hell yeah, it's hard. Gene wants a sugar mama. Is that what you just said?
Pretty much. They got me a Hellcat.
They might have a Hellcat. I've met Jokic's brothers too. It's funny at the Nuggets games, people always think I'm one of Jokic's brothers. I'm sure you've heard that too, Gene. People are like, "Oh, are you Jokic's brother?" I'm like, "Yeah, that is me. I'm Jokic's brother. I come from Serbia and I teach you to trade stoke."
His real brother's scary. Remember we seen him at the gym?
His real brothers are huge. I kind of look like his one brother, the one that's tall with tats. He's like 6'7", 6'8" too.
Think about the skinnier one?
The skinnier one, not the enormous one.
That dude's so scary, bro.
I'm still in this trade, guys. I'm still in my runners on this trade, just so you guys are aware. I've been talking about basketball, but
Oh my.
what? Are you frustrated, Gene?
50 cents away from passing the stupid email. 50 cents.
You got to work on your Serbian accent. I will work on it. I'm sorry. Come on. We got all day almost. We want more. We want more. I'm keeping my promise. If we get down to 128, video of me running down the street, shirt off, screaming Team Bull forever.
Team Bull forever.
Team Bull. Team Bull. Be my star. Man, that was a great trade. If you like trades like you just saw, you're going to love tonight's free masterclass. Make sure you guys are all registered. If you're in YouTube, I'm going to put it in the chat right now. It's in the description. You can join below. But if you like what you saw, you're going to love the free masterclass. Make sure y'all get signed up. And as a reminder, if you're hesitant, was last night's class worth your time? Yes or no, chat? Are you happy that you went last night for the hour that it took? Yes or no? Honest answers. Lots of yeses. Yes. Man's no, hater. C, yes, yes, yes. So if you're happy with it, I'll see you tonight. And if you didn't come, well, here's the link. I'll see you guys tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. If you'd like access to it as well, you can DM me on Instagram. Jdun Trades. It's the only place that I answer DMs in general about anything. So if you have questions, if you'd like access to it, if you need anything else, DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades. Tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Together we'll mend your heart because... Oh, we're in. It's raining. You can always come trade with me. Come trade with me. It's raining. Can always come into me. Working nights this week. Well, you get recordings too. Just make sure you tap in, get registered. Oh, it was a great trade, Team Bull. Jdun, thanks again for the first mastermind last night. I needed to work on my size per trade and per day. Took 3 trades today, 2 winners, 1 small loss, up 1,200. That's discipline over dopamine, baby. That's DOD. The government calls it Department of Defense. I call it the Department of Discipline, baby. Inside Team Bull. Well, I know it's the DOW now, but I call it the Department of Discipline. You are always swear. What? I know, I'm waiting. We want more. We want more. If you guys haven't trimmed, be sure you've taken at least something off. Ugh. GG, yes, sir. Good game. I get my conviction from my through my grandma. 9 years of experience helps a little, but honestly, my main edge in this market is grandma. Oh, baby, it's raining. Well, that's nice, honey. The shorts worked out. That is great. Want to come say hi, Gene? I gotta go blow my nose.
What's up, guys? Jeez, it smells like toothpicks over here. Yeah, I did. They deny payouts because people don't follow the rules. Follow the rules, and you get paid from them. And that's what they need from them.
What up?
What's up? What time is it?
9. About to get off. About to get off in a sec. Apex only denies payouts if you don't follow the rules. You follow the rules, you'll get paid. Follow the rules, get paid. You can use code Jdun for payout protection too. You can't get to the point of payout if you haven't followed the rules. See you, sir. Adios, Crazy Glock. And then there was one. I'm going to get off soon, though, too. And there was one. I will be getting off semi-soon. We chose DOD today. We chose discipline over dopamine. I got to get ready tonight for our day 2 of the free masterclass. I'm going all in tonight. I'm going all in tonight. I better see each and every one of y'all there at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm still in my runners. I'm about to get off, though. We're going lower, hopefully. More shirtless pics, maybe just for you. That was hilarious. Money bag short entry. Absolutely money bags. Just in time for day 2 of our masterclass as well. Follow the system that I'm going to teach you guys tonight. Gonna play. I entered twice at 2:15, then right below 2:30. And we're still going down. BTC crash. Yeah, right. Just made $1,000 on my pro account. Let's go. You're welcome, Carlo. Let's go. I love helping you win, bro. It is my honor to help you catch some bags. Let it sell, baby. Let it sell. Let it sell. Let it sell. Let it sell, baby. Let it sell. We want London low. Let it sell, baby. Let it sell. Let it die. Come on, baby. Give me my price target. The shirt comes off, we get my price target of 127. Come on. Come on. 20 more points. 20 more points. That is what I'm talking about, guys. That right there is exactly. Oh, no. I'm actually going to take my shirt off. We're 15 points away. We're 15 points away. We're 15 points away. I spoke too soon. And I miss you here now. You're gone. Oh no. We're going to get my price target. And there's a video of me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, we got it. I got to make the video. All right, guys. I'm out of my remaining runner. I'm out down here, completely out of the remaining runner. Let's go. Oh no. Y'all are going to get a very, very interesting video of me here in just a little bit. How about that trade, Gene? How about that trade? Oh my goodness. Just in time. Just in time for the, oh baby. $2,500 in the funded. Let's go. Come on. Where'd that, all right, here we go. Oh my, dying, bro. Dying. That's what I'm talking about. Where did my, oh, here it is. Yes, there. Oh my gosh. Yo. Yo, I sold that way early, bro. Yo. Yo. Mega freaking trade, guys. Oh my gosh. Did anyone hold me for a lot of that move? Holy guacamole. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. 1 minute gap. Holy shit. Holy guac a freaking moly, guys. I mean, gosh dang, if you're still holding. Look at that. Holy guaca freaking moly. That was insane. That was literally insane. Tell y'all what the system did today. The system freaking paid. Not just choking. 14 down and Ovis. Oh my gosh, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, we are paid. Oh my gosh, what an absolute dump. What up, Gene? I think Gina's FOMO. Wow. Wow. Well, almost 4 racks in the live account today. That's cool. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy we caught that. Fundeds got paid. Live account got paid. We are vibing. See if we can get any sort of pop up to like a 100 to 120 is your next area you can look if you miss the move. Absolute beauty, guys. Absolute beauty. That was so awesome.
Is it still going down?
It's recovering a little bit. That was a good old-fashioned sell-off right there. I think 100 to 120, if you miss the move, you can watch for shorts. You'd rather see it closer to that pre-market low, that London low at like 126. Insane. $100 to 120, that was your short area. We went and touched at 107. So if you ended up getting in there, your stops must be above. I mean, it's higher risk, but say 45. It's a little more risk, like 40 points there. You can arguably say like 130 stops too, right above that pre-market high. If you guys took that entry in there, that was the lower high you're going to look for, and you want to see a push down the low a day now. It was very, very, very gangsta. It was very, very, very gangsta. I'm currently done for the day. I'm chilling. We're up a lot, to say the least. To say the least, we are up a fair bargain. We are up a fair bargain for the day. Retesting that pre-market low. This is the last line of defense. This is the last line of defense, everybody. Did I win? What do you think? Just locked myself out. DOD. Let's go. That's DOD. This is still the short area, guys. Let's pop back up to pre-market low. If we break now, if you got that entry up there, now if we break above that 140, 145, you got to be out. All right, y'all. Let's go. Come on. I'm out of here, guys. Trade smart. Trade safe. Stay focused. And I'll see you guys tonight for the free masterclass. All right? God bless y'all. I'll see y'all later. All right? Peace. Adios, adios. God bless y'all. You can DM me on Instagram if you'd like access. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.